gonna see this in my possession. Now you got my knife on me. One second, hold on, I got my knife there. Oh my knife back! I need my knife back! Give my knife, I'm gonna use it just like that. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Please handle with care. Figures, wireless. Pip pip cheerio and all that good stuff. .4G Volt E. So it comes with SIM. Huh. I don't know. We might use that service. We might not. Think about using T-Mobile just because I already have a T-Mobile account. I'm pretty sure this piece of paper is. Yep. My information. Y'all need to see that. Y'all know his asses. Thank you. Thank you so much for your purchase. We are proud to say that we have poured every resource to make your sure. We are proud to say that we have poured every resource to make sure your new device is perfect from the moment you receive it. Your satisfaction is our number one priority. Freddy Figures. Freddy Figures. Man, that dude got banked, man. That dude is a hustler. He's a hustler, homie. You're a customer crony. Now, right off the bat, Figures get points because no over-the-top boxing or nothing like that. This device was $149. Time I bought it, I did buy it during Black Friday, so let's hop in here, man. Just want to give y'all a little, little view of this. So here are the specs on the back. It's got the CPU is a MT6737 4x ARM Cortex A53 up to 1.3 gigahertz. So it's it's nothing off the top. Android 10 Go Edition, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of ROM, dual nano SIM, 4150 milliamp hours of battery life, 6.53 inch screen, so 720p resolution on the screen. So it's a budget phone. Budget phone capabilities. Let's see what it's hitting for. Okay. Got the hole punch on top. It's rather snug in there. There you go. All right. Okay, so it's already got the case on. Set that to the side. Biggers Dragon X. I like the name. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. So got the USB charging brick. Is this USB Type-C device? Look at the charger. And yes, it is. Here's your SIM injection tool right here. Come on now. USB Type-C, winning. Winning right there. So already comes in the case. There's an AI thermometer. It says it has a thermometer. That's why I bought this, really. It says it has a thermometer. We're going to test that out. So you got the triple camera set up. Pretty sure that's a thermometer. Oh, that's the 2. No, okay, 2 megapixel, 13 megapixel flashlight. And this is the thermometer, I believe. All right. Let's jump into the device. Guys, so here are the figures device. So I'm gonna read this top part. Non-contact infrared thermometer. Has an independent short key, 13 megapixel ultra wide triple camera, 8 megapixel AI beautified selfie, 6.53 inch HD, which is 720p, full screen, 20 by 9 in-cell display, Type-C port, 4150 on the battery capacity, 2+1 card slots, 3D unibody design, Android 10 Go, global LTE band, so you should be able to use this anywhere. Alright, so sorry, got screen protector on here, so that's dope. Let's take this part off. Case, so you guys can see it. Also, we can get this sticker off the back of the device. Okay. So the same texture that you saw right here on the box is also on the phone. So it makes it grippable. It's plastic. It's powered up. It's got a battery. It does not have any battery. All right, so I'm going to charge this up and power it up. But before we do, headphone jack, SIM card tray. I believe this is your dedicated infrared button for the thermometer, microphone, USB charging port, speaker, so single speaker, and you have this little slit up top for your receiver. I should say this is where your volume comes out of. So yeah, let's charge it up and come back inside. So yeah, let's charge it up and read Studio OS.